Hello and welcome to Project Zomboid, but it's flooded. There's nothing else really to say. It's literally just flooded. Oh yeah, and my game is gonna lag like I can't get out. So laggy. First thing that's gonna mention, it probably will crash every once in a while. Ooh, I regret doing this in LSV. Shit. Jesus, lag is fucking wild. Oh, go. Alright. Ugh. Lag's a little wild, but it's not the worst. We can deal with it. We are in Louisville, though, so it makes enough sense. Especially because every floor item has been replaced with water. I should just stay zoomed in as much as possible. Try not load new chunks. Eeh. Yeah, so one thing that I'm noticing is there's not many zombies. Alright. I gotta get a hammer and I gotta get to a tall building. That's what I need to do. Since this is fucked. Alright, that's great. You know, fishing. I mean, you got that going for you. Alright, so I can only go out that back door. That limits things greatly, since I highly doubt. Go! Jesus. What do you mean? Shit. Fuck. Swim! Get to the door! Please open. Oh, thank God. Alright. We gotta watch. We also got lag. At least the game's not... There's zombies here! Something that I'm thinking about instantly is weight. Why are there several of you? I just want to rest, bro. Come on. You have shorts I want. Bro. It's suboptimal. Especially with the lag. Come on, man. Don't do this to me. Fall over. Fall over. Thank you. I don't know if you guys can see the lag or not. I'm gonna assume you can. I really hope it's just not actual ass. Are they jumping down? Are you shitting me? Oh my God. What the fuck is the building I entered? What the fuck is this? Alright, gang. Swim! I beg of you. Get to the door. Are you shitting me? Okay. Alright. You know, this might work. I'm willing to risk it. It did not work, and okay, that's not that bad, actually. That was a risk worth taking, though. Because, Jesus Christ. You're bleeding a little bit. We need to get back to the pizza place to get something to rip. This is great. Bro? There we go. Did I not? Oh, I didn't leave the shit in here, did I? Why? No. Don't. Ain't no fucking way. Shit. I can ain't no fucking way. I actually just did that. Oh, there has to be. I can rip that, right? Yup. We have to use our brains here, because we have pretty limited shit. Alright. You know what? Let's rest, and then let's try and make a bolt for the hardware store, I guess. That's the only thing I can think of. We're all rested up. Jesus, the lag. Weapons, actually. Before we do anything, look for a weapon in the kitchen. I just thought of that. Something, anything, please. Alrighty. You know what, let's eat some cheese before we leave, then. Shit. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I don't know about this one. Go, go, go. Ah, this is a long swim. What am I stuck on? That car's flying. Can I open this from out here? No, I cannot. I see the hardware store right there. Oh no, it's not the hardware store. Swim. Yeah, I know. I'd much prefer if you guys went through the door. Because if you go through the door, I can take you out one by one. We have gained ground with an actual viable front door, which is huge in my opinion. Actually, I want to deal with you outside. I prefer all the corpses be out of the building. And there's one more zombie. Come on. I want you out of the building. Come on. You know, you want to fall over and get your head crushed. Come on. Thank you. This is big. We've gained ground. It's actually pretty big. So most of this is just going to be resting, I guess. Makes sense, though. Really nothing? Come on. Fresh water. Oh, this is a bathroom. Okay. So we have... Alright, that's good, actually. We have a few chairs. We have a few sources of water. It's pretty good. Now, what is that building? Oh, shit. That does not. Alright, alright, alright. Hold up. Hold up. Okay. Alright. Hold up. Rest, then I have an idea. I want to swim around, seeing if there's another building we can get to. Maybe to... Jesus, the lag is fucking wild. Go, just go, just go, just go, just go. This is a long-ass swim. I'm gonna regret this. Swim faster. Can I stand on that? No, I cannot. Oh my fucking lord. Yeah, I know it's nice to take a break, but, you know, I'm kind of fucked because I... You know, when I get myself stuck in an invisible fucking wall... Dude? Game? I've literally got myself stuck in an invisible barrier. The door's broken. Please. Oh, thank God. That's fine. No zombies can get to me. Holy shit. Okay. Alright. This is... This is so fucked. That hotel next to me has to be off limits now. There's no way. That alarm would have drawn all of them towards the windows. Are you fucking shit? Just fall over, dude. I love drowning. I love it. Because I got stuck in an invisible fucking wall. Right. Jesus Christ. Let's just rest. Yeah, I don't know about this one. I might be cooked. A weapon would be lovely. There's a kitchen knife, that's a weapon. I'll take both of these. Alright, or not. I can open these doors. Alright. This is huge. We have lay of the land. I wonder if I could get in one of those I have a feeling if I would get in one of them, I'd be trapped forever, though. So, you know, win-loss. I'd rather not. Meat cleaver, let's go. Alright, where the fuck am I? Hospitality? So that is a building that I could get in. It's just, I don't know where the door is. It's all the... I'll do it. Go, 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 go. A nice light swim. You're fine. Alright, that's big. That's fucked. I can just swim to back. really need you to fall over and die, like, now. That door's gonna break. I'm fucked. Please, bro. Dude, I'm dead. I'm dead. That's it. I fucked up. Please. I don't care. I just need something. Nah, I'm fucked. I'm dead. I'm dead. It's over. Please! Holy shit. Holy fuck. Okay. Alright. I don't know about this one. I really don't think I'm gonna make it anywhere. This is fucked. Thank God I have this building, but Jesus. Well, I guess that's a, thank you guys for watching. I mean, I guess I'll see you guys next time. I really don't know how long this run is gonna last. How long this run is gonna last. Damn. Well, once again, thank you guys for watching, I guess, and I'll see you next time. Bye.